Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. And if you've stayed at other Secrets resorts and are wondering how Secrets Tides compares, this video is for you. I'm giving you a full walkthrough of the resort layout, pools, beach, dining, and room experience, plus my honest take on where it stands within the Secrets brand. As soon as you arrive at Secrets Tides, you're welcomed into this open-air lobby that immediately sets the tone for the entire resort. It feels bright, modern, really thoughtfully designed, and one of the things that really stands out here is the level of service. Right off the lobby, you'll find the concierge team. We actually just passed that. And if you're interested in celebrating a special occasion, Secrets Tides is also a really popular choice for weddings and events. The resort offers a variety of event spaces, including elegant indoor ballrooms and beautiful outdoor areas that I will be showcasing throughout the video that can be set up for ceremonies, receptions, or private gatherings. Right there was the wedding office. Now here we have one of the restaurants, and it is Portofino, their Italian restaurant. Portofino has a really warm, classic Italian feel with a slightly more intimate atmosphere compared to some of the other dining spots on the property. They will oftentimes even have live music here. When it comes to dining, Secrets Tides offers a really solid variety of options throughout the resort. You'll find a mix of a la carte restaurants, casual spots, and grab-and-go options. So whether you want a full sit-down dinner or something quick during the day, you have plenty of flexibility. Another really popular restaurant here is Macari, which is their Asian-inspired dining options. Macari offers a mix of Asian cuisine in a really modern, upscale setting, and it's one of the more visually striking restaurants on property. The atmosphere does feel a little bit more energetic compared to some of the other spots. Now, while most restaurants here don't require reservations, the teppanyaki experience at Macari is one exception, so you'll definitely want to plan ahead for that. Just across the way is Coco Cafe, the resort's 24-hour coffee shop, and they offer things like specialty coffees, espresso drinks, and a selection of pastries and quick bites. And right by Coco Cafe, the resort has a dedicated theater where you'll find nightly entertainment, including live shows, performances, and themed events throughout the week. And it is also covered, which means if it's raining, you are covered as well. And here is Desires, the resort's sports bar and nightclub, and it's definitely the main spot for late night entertainment. Earlier in the evening, it has more of a sports bar feel, as you can probably see from the pool tables and other games. And then as the night goes on, it does transition into more of a nightclub with music, dancing, and a bit more energy. The grounds here at Secrets Tides are beautifully maintained, and you may notice just a bit young because this is a newer resort, having just opened within the last couple of years. This resort does maintain a clean, modern, tropical feel, and it is very easy to navigate. There's around 650 rooms, multiple pools, and a variety of restaurants and bars spread throughout the property. Here is the first of the pools, and this is called the Central Pool. This is more of the quieter, non-activity pool, still with a swim-up bar and plenty of loungers and even cabana day beds. One thing you'll notice about the buildings here, anything that is situated with a view completely to the interior is going to be more of your standard junior suite rooms, while just ahead you'll notice the more angular buildings are all going to be your preferred club rooms. Now, if you are considering upgrading your stay, let's talk a little bit about the Preferred Club. The Preferred Club is essentially the upgraded experience here at Secrets Tides, and it comes with a few added perks that you can make your stay feel a bit more elevated. You'll get access to a private lounge, upgraded in-room amenities, and a more personalized level of service throughout your stay. There's also exclusive areas just for Preferred Club guests, including a dedicated pool and sections of the beach, which you'll see shortly, and they tend to be a bit quieter and more relaxed. You'll also have access to premium liquors and a few additional touches that can make a difference, especially if you like having a more upgraded, less crowded space. Now, here's a quick look at one of the Preferred Club Master Suites here at Secrets Tides. These rooms are significantly larger with separate living spaces and a more elevated overall feel, making them a great option if you want a little extra room. I do have a full detailed room tour where I walk you through everything you need to know. You can click the link at the top or at the end of this video to see more. And speaking of seeing more, if you enjoy watching resort tours, reviews, and room tours, and even my own personal blogs from my stays, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. Now here is the main activity pool, and this is really the heart of the resort during the day and where you'll find the most energy. Beginning at 11 a.m., they will start playing music, there's going to be activities going on, and a more social atmosphere. So if you're looking to meet people or just want a livelier vibe, this is the place to be. This video was taken around 9:30 in the morning just for a little bit of clarity. You've also got a swim-up bar here, which makes it easy to grab a drink without ever leaving the pool. There is a little beach shop here, and then right at the end on the right, and we'll come back to that, is the restaurant Oceana. And here's a look at the backside of the swim-up bar where you can walk up and grab a drink. Here is another look at Oceana, which is the resort's beachfront restaurant, offering a more relaxed sit-down experience with great views. If you are staying in a preferred club level room, Oceana will be an a la carte restaurant for you for breakfast and lunch, and a dinner restaurant for all of the other guests at the resort. And right nearby, you've also got the Barefoot Grill, which is perfect for a quick casual bite, great for lunch. Think burgers, snacks, and easy grab and go options right off of the beach. And here is the main beach area at Secrets Tides. You've got plenty of loungers and palapas set up along the ocean, so it's easy to find a spot whether you're looking to relax in the sun or get a little bit of shade. The beach here is located in Uvero Alto, so the sand is a bit darker and more coarse compared to places like Bávaro or Cancun, and the water does tend to have a deeper color as well. That said, it does still offer a really peaceful, open stretch of beach that's great for long walks and just enjoying the ocean. And with food and drink service here, you can easily spend the entire day without needing to head back to the pool. And if you noticed, the main pool area is set up as an infinity style pool. Now here's one last quick shot of the main activity pool before heading basically right next door to the preferred club pool. So if you do upgrade to preferred club, you'll have access to this dedicated pool area and separate beach area as well. This is a great option if you're looking for a more quieter, more relaxed atmosphere compared to the main activity pool. Here, you'll notice the more angled buildings. These are all preferred club rooms, so if you're upgrading your stay, this is where you'll likely be located, either on this side or the opposite side of the resort. And another perk of upgrading to preferred club is access to the preferred club lounge. You'll typically find snacks, light bites, and drinks available here, along with a full bar, in addition to some convenient seating, even some books and games if it happens to be a bit of a rainy day. And here is an event space just on top of the preferred club, and it can hold about 50 people for something like a cocktail hour or something like that. And you do get a bit of an ocean view from this section over here. Now here is a quick look at one of the junior suites here at Secrets Tides. Outside of the master suites, this is what all of your rooms here are going to look like, with the exception of bedding size. This is the base room category, but as you can see, it's still very spacious with a clean, modern design. If you're considering this room, be sure to check out my full room tour for all the details. And here's a look at the interior hallways within the buildings, and you'll notice that they do provide seating here. Maybe you're waiting for your partner or some friends that you are visiting. Let's head into the Secrets Spa and Fitness Center area. This fitness center is very well stocked. It's actually 2 levels with equipment on both levels. There are classes, yoga rooms, and they even provide healthy snacks. Now let's head into the spa. The spa here at Secrets Tides offers a full range of treatments, including massages, facials, and body therapies. They even have a hair salon, and you can purchase the products that they use on you and even the scents throughout the resort. The space itself feels very tranquil, as you can probably feel as we move through this space. It's definitely well designed and creates an awesome escape from the more active areas of the resort. If you are to book a treatment here, something like a massage or facial or something like that, check your package because hydrotherapy may be included, and we'll take a look at those hydrotherapy areas in just a moment. Another great dining option here is El Patio, which is the resort's Mexican restaurant. And all of the restaurants here actually do feature outdoor seating, which is quite unique. El Patio is a great option if you're looking for something a bit more authentic and flavorful. And just behind these fountains is the main plaza area of the resort with plenty of seating where you can relax, grab a drink, or just take a break in between the evening activities. You'll also find a few shops on the property and right off the lobby if you need souvenirs, beachwear, or anything you may have forgotten. And here we come to the prettiest restaurant on property, Tierra. Tierra is one of the more unique dining options here, offering a fusion of South American flavors inspired by countries like Brazil, Peru, Venezuela, and Argentina. It's a great spot if you're looking to try something a little different from the typical all-inclusive dining experience. Not to boot, it is just gorgeous inside and even comes with a courtyard for dining. There are bold flavors, and it definitely offers a more elevated specialty feel. Like I said, the atmosphere here really stands out. It feels much more immersive and curated compared to some of the other restaurants here. So who is this resort a good fit for? Well, this is a great choice if you're looking for a relaxed, modern, adults-only getaway. However, this may not be the best fit if you want that perfect turquoise beach, a party vibe, or ultra luxury, as it is a bit more laid back. So at the end of the day, Secrets Tides really comes down to what you personally prioritize in a vacation. If you're considering staying here, the next step is making sure you choose the right room. So definitely check out my full room tours where I walk you through all of the options in detail. And if you're still comparing resorts, you'll also want to take a look at Secrets Cap Cana, which offers a very different overall experience. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.